I was limping and I couldn't help myself. It was that painful, there was just no getting around it. The pain was such that, okay, I had to do it, didn't want to, but I came in. And so January of this year, I started limping at work. I could not keep it from limping. I needed to do something. I just listened to him. I had a problem, he was the professional, and he went with that. Now I'm so glad that I did. After the fact, I was told by numerous people, you know, how did you do it? What did you do? Did they use some robot? And yes, they did. And like I say, the result was fantastic because I was in and out of physical therapy in record time. I expected it to be much worse. I was told it was going to be much worse. So I'm going to say immediately, but then a little bit of time, okay, the stiffness of the leg comes in and they warn you, they tell you about it, the doctor did, and I just had to bite the bullet and stretch as much as possible. Physical therapy came right up behind him, said the same thing, and but again, they were really surprised that I was able to bend and flex and do everything I was able to do in the amount of time that I was able to do it. My wife checked into it and she's really thorough about that, and she started asking questions to different people. It started with a physical therapist, and the physical therapist suggested Jeff, and from there, yeah, he took great care of me, no complaints, everything was wonderful. After the surgery, they tell you to listen to them, and basically you have to bite the bullet and stretch your knees and keep moving, and not too much, not too little, but just enough, and you'll know what that is if you actually follow through. With Dr. Yergler and his team, it's professional, in and out, quick, simple, which I am thrilled with. I recommend South Bend Orthopaedics and Dr. Yergler, Jeffrey Yergler, for knee surgery, because mine was successful, very much so. My name is Casey Cole, and I am living much better now after my knee surgery by Dr. Jeff Yergler. Thank you.